it will fall into the bigger one. So 3 is right here, and then 7 is right here. Therefore, it is or we are going for the whole territory. Therefore, the answer is c is greater than 7. And here the answer is p is less than -1. Okay? So, again, or is inclusive, so includes everything. And now, this one. This one is really easy. So whenever you see something like this, number 9 and number 12, they're basically the same problem. X is right here, right? And then now, excluding -3 and excluding 1. Number 12, X is including -4 and then including 4, right? And now, number 10, X is greater than 3. And then now, this is or. These two must be or because they are not connected. If they're disconnected, it must be or, and this must be also or. X should be greater or equal to 2. And then the left-hand side, x is less than or equal to -2. And then this left-hand side is x is less than or equal to 0, greater or equal to 0. So this is and, this is and then this is or, this is or. The difference between 10 and 11, 10, 11, and 9 and 10, between triangle problems and circle problems, is that or always see them disconnected like this. Or it includes everything. Includes everything. Therefore, it is inclusive. Again, if this was end, then it has no solution because there is no common part between this and this. They do not have any intersection between these two. But in the case of number 9, let's say now this is end, right? What if this was or? What I mean by end is that they're connected with end. Again, there are two different parts for this. First part and the second part. So x is greater than -3 and x is less than 1. So they're connected with and originally. But if you want to turn them into or, then what happens here, I'll write them down here. It's greater than -3. Oh, sorry. It's greater than -3, so it's heading this way, and then 1 is going this way. Now, let's suppose that they're or. Then this area must be included, and then so is this area as well. There we are talking about pretty much everything here. Therefore, if it is or, they must be all solutions. Okay? All real numbers. Now, 13, 14, and 15. So 13, this is about turning what is this? A verbal expression into an algebraic expression. So let's do this together. 9 less than a number. So whenever you see something like this, a number, you want to just put that as x. 9 less than a number is no more than 8, is no less than 3. It's no more than 8, therefore it is this, and no less than 3, therefore it is this. 9 less than a number. Hold on. Oh, no. I made a serious mistake over here. Sorry. This is not the answer. Oh, 9 less than a number. What that means is you have a number, and then you have a number, and then it should be 9 less than this number. Therefore, you got to subtract 9 from this. Therefore, this expression means x minus 9. It's no more than 8, therefore this, and then no less than 3, it is this. Okay, so the final answer is this. Okay, so this is the answer. It didn't really tell you to solve this inequality, but if you solve it, you just add 9 to both sides. Therefore, it is 12x, and then 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, so you can also rewrite this into this expression. Bracket means closed, parenthesis means open. Open means it doesn't include 12. Bracket means it does include 12. The sum of 4 times a number at 8. Now the sum of a and b, right? The sum of a and b, 4 times a number, 4x, and then 8. The sum of a and b is between 0 and 12. Is between 0 and 12. When it says between, it doesn't include 0 and 12, okay? Usually. All right? Then now you subtract 8 from both sides. I mean, from everywhere. Negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. Then we have minus 8, 4x, and then 4, right? Now if you solve it, then it is negative 2x, and then 1. In this case, it is negative 2 and 1. Again, parenthesis means they are not included. 1/2 a number increased by 3. 1/2 a number, so put this as x. 1/2 is 1/2. Increased by 3, therefore adding 3 to it is greater than 0. It should be greater than 0, right? Or 1/2x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative 3. Less than or equal to negative 3, right? So this is the right expression over here. And now moving 3 to the other side, you have negative 3. It's 1/2x. And then now you're solving it. Then you have x is greater than negative 6. Again, I will always want to put x on the left hand side and number on the right hand side. Okay? Then x is greater than or equal greater than negative 6. And now this one is 1/2x is greater than less than or equal to negative 6, right? Now multiplying 2 to both sides, then you have x is less than or equal to negative 12. Now they're connected with or. Now then you have negative 6 over here. Oh, sorry. You have negative 6 over here, and then negative 12 down here. It should be greater than negative 6, so it must be going this way, and then it must be greater than x must be less than or equal to negative 12. Therefore, it must go this way. Now, since this is or, so the answer is just these two areas. All right. Now, last 3 problems are word problems. All right. So these might be a bit hard, but you just need to read it carefully. Okay. Let's read together. Each type of fish thrives in a specific range of temperatures. The optimum temperatures for sharks range from 18 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. So then, let's say sharks optimum temperatures for sharks is from 18 degrees to 22 degrees, right? They're including when you say from and to. And write inequality that represent the temperature where sharks will not thrive. Then 18 and 22, and then this is including to 18 and 22, so it is everything here. So anything that is down below excluding 18 and down here, anything that is above 22 is going to be where sharks cannot really thrive. Therefore, the answer here is S is less than 18. Now they're disconnected. It should be or S is greater than 22. Okay, so this is the answer. Now about 20% of the time you sleep is spent in a rapid eye movement sleep. What is associated with which is associated with dreaming? If an adult sleeps 7 to 8 hours, how much time is spent in REM sleep? So now it's like this. Adult sleeps from 7 to 8 hours. That includes 7 and 8 both, right? And then it says 20% of the time is the REM sleep, right? Therefore, all you need to multiply over here is 0.2 to each side. Then if you multiply 0.2, because it's 20%, right? Then it's going to be 1.4, 0.28, and then 0.2 times 8 is 1.6. Therefore, the answer is